With the rising popularity of cloud-based enterprise file sync and share solutions such as OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, and Google Drive, many organizations are looking to migrate or integrate their legacy content to platforms such as Office 365. Although migration is a great approach to getting content off of these legacy systems, organizations might also want to consider other options like integration that can make it easier for users to adopt SharePoint, as well as centralize all access to content including oversized or restricted file types that can't be migrated to Office 365. Today you will learn how to integrate file share content with Office 365 using DocAv File Share Navigator Online. You'll learn how simple it is to set up a list in SharePoint with your integrated file share content, as well as how your end users will be able to download and interact with that content while utilizing key features in Office 365. File Share Navigator Online is comprised of three major components: an administration web service, AvePoint Online Services, and a SharePoint add-in, formerly known as apps. The administration web service is installed and configured on a local server. The purpose of the service is to act as an integration point between both your local file shares and Office 365. The service does in fact have to be internet facing in order for file share content to be accessible from Office 365. After you've completed all of the configuration steps for File Share Navigator Online, you can simply navigate to the add-in and select Create List to get started. This form will create a SharePoint list with File Share Navigator Online features enabled. Simply enter the name and description, then enter in the file share UNC path and credentials for an account with sufficient permission to access the file share. If you have unique permissions already configured on your file share that you wish to load into your list, you can simply select this option. You can also configure individual sync settings for any list you create. Once the list is created, you can simply select Sync to start populating the list. Now, all of the content from the file share is presented as a SharePoint list. With this list, you can simply upload by selecting the Upload button. As well as download by selecting the option menu, then selecting the Download button. You also have the option of using Office Online web applications to edit any connected Office content.